Hello guys, and welcome to a new video. In this episode I'm gonna share with you something I believe it will help you a lot to avoid a lot of unnecessary losses. Alright, it's a little too late here. I should go to sleep to wake up for the London session tomorrow, but I just needed to share with you guys this. Maybe it will help you tomorrow, I don't know. So the thing I'm gonna share on this episode, it's like an indicator, alright? But it's not an indicator. It's not a tool. You will notice it with your eyes. You don't need something else to tell you, alright? I have noticed this thing repeats so many times, and you will avoid a lot of losses, alright? So just hit that subscribe button, maybe leave a comment, a nice comment. Maybe you want me to do certain things, maybe explain some things you didn't understand when studying ICT. Maybe you have a question, just leave a comment and I will reply to you as soon as I can. So without any further ado, let's start this video, guys. So guys, the thing that will help you to avoid unnecessary losses and predict when price will hit your stop loss is inter-market relationship, meaning correlated pairs. What is correlated pairs? Correlated pairs is like Euro USD and GBP USD. You all know those two pairs. They move in the same direction, alright? So there is a correlation relationship between them, but they are a slightly difference in maybe in the delivery. All right, so maybe there's a previous daily high on Euro USD and GBP USD. Sometimes Euro USD will hit that high before GU. All right. And sometimes the other way around. Sometimes GBP USD will hit that high, and Euro USD is still didn't hit it. All right. So how do we apply this to predict stop loss? Let's go to this example right here. So this is Euro USD, the 5-minute time frame, and I'm gonna let's do a commentary on what happens here. So basically we are on 2 a.m. This is the start of the London kill zone. This rectangle is the rectangle here is the Asian session, all right, the Asian session range. We can see that price from midnight just went down to take the Asian session low, plus it hit an order block. You see this rectangle here? All right, this is an order block. So price took liquidity plus hit higher time frame PDRA, which is an order block, and then look what happened. It displaced. You see, a beautiful displacement, a market structure shift. This is the 2022 model basically. This is just textbook, all right? A lot of you guys maybe took this trade, and like as you can see, it failed. All right, so this is basically a Judas swing. Like I said, this is a textbook, and I would take this trade. I personally took this trade and ended up break even, and I tell you why. How did I know that this trade is gonna fail and close the trade early? So as you can see here, most of you, when you see this displacement, you will enter on this fair value gap, or you will enter on the 50% of this leg right here, or maybe the optimal trade on entry, which gonna be like maybe here or so. So what I want you to focus on is this candle, all right? This right here candle. A lot of you guys will take your entry long maybe was here. So let's see this candle. This candle formed on 2:50 a.m. New York time. All right, guys. This is the 2:50 a.m. candle on the Euro USD. Now, let's move this to the side and let's go to GBP USD. All right. So the same thing happened. The Asian session, you can see here. We can see a drop like here. All right. This here, like it's basically the same. But I want you to focus on something, guys. So this is displacement. Now, look at this candle, the 2:50 a.m. candle. It's here, and the 2:50 a.m. candle. Look at here. So basically, if you take the long here, your stop loss maybe will be here, below the swing or here. All right. As you can see on the 2:50 a.m. candle, price on the GBP USD, price hit the stop loss, so it violated this displacement. But on EU, it was still on the entry. All right. So what I want you to do is when you take trade, maybe on Euro USD here, when you take the trade here, I want you to monitor GBP USD. Sometime GBP USD will violate this leg before EU will violate it. All right. If you see GBP USD like here, this candle violated this leg. So basically, this is a failed setup. When you see here, you want to exit your entry long. All right, exit it. You know that price will likely to do the same as GBP USD. All right, guys, and look what happened. I exit my long here, and that saved me from a loss. All right, unnecessary loss. All right, guys. A lot of you guys may say this. Maybe an SMT is gonna form. All right. What is an SMT? It is a crack in the correlation between these two pairs. So maybe GBP USD will take this swing and EU will not take this swing. All right, this is SMT. But guys, SMT it is not reliable on the lower time frames. It is only reliable on the higher time frames. All right, and I have seen this forms many times. When GBP USD violates this displacement, this leg, EU will do the same, and sometimes the other way around. EU will violate this, and GBP is still here, and after that it will violate this also. All right. So I want you to don't take my words for it. I want you to go to your chart and maybe do some backtesting on this past week. I don't know. Do your homework and leave a comment. Tell me what you found. All right, guys. Happy trading and see you later.